How's it going, everybody? This is Evan from TheWhateverBros, and welcome to number 2 of my PUP Investigations. And today I'm going to be taking a look at fundeckgames.com. So without further ado, let's get started. Taking a look at their website, it's alright, I guess. But they talk about antivirus and get sponsored default search. Like, I from the title of the website, it sounds like a gaming website, like one of those like crappy flash game sites that you see every now and then. But then they talk about antivirus and sponsored default search. So what is it? Is it a game site? Is it antivirus? I don't understand. So let's go and click continue because obviously this is what the video is here for. And absurdly, it makes me download PDF converter. Like what's you talked about antivirus here, default search, like what are you trying to advertise? So while that's downloading, I still want to go and talk about VirusTotal. If you don't know what VirusTotal is, it's a website where you can go and upload files and have them, obviously right here. So you just upload suspicious files to VirusTotal, and they run or they scan it with, I don't know, at least 60 antivirus engines. So there's definitely a lot of virus engines that you can get your file scanned. So if you find a file and you're not sure if it's legit or not, just upload it here. So all you really have to do is just click choose file, then wait for the window to pop up, maybe. Alright, go to your downloads folder or wherever you keep your downloads. And then select it, click open, and it's going to go and compute the hash. And then it's going to check it, and then bam. It's only seen by 6 antivirus engines, and it seems like it's an adware. And that's like pretty much it. If I click on this, it's not really going to do anything except to install adware. And adware is, well, adware. It provides, like, here, I guess I'll go and open it up anyways. Alright, so before I sign off, I just wanted to go and take a look at the terms of service, or show you guys the terms of service. I've already taken a look at it before. Alright, so right here, advertising. Big, bold letters. The software and services are provided to you, allows us to display third-party applications as well as link or text links pop up / under. I don't know what under. New tabs in order to enhance your web browsing ability. The software does not collect any personal identifiable information, which doubt. I don't trust that. And it says, in addition, services may display advertisements from third parties before or during gameplay. So apparently this is a gameplay. I don't know. It didn't work for me. But yeah, it's pretty much an adware. It's adware. And it says it's gonna install Browser Assist, which may change some of your system preferences, such as the home page, new tab page, add toolbars, or change your default search engine. So yeah, that's yeah, I don't trust it. So yep, that's pretty much it. This is Evan from TheWhateverBros, and I will see you later.